Okay, so this little girl, the kids have decided to call her Smoke. She's a very pretty light gray, so we will call her Smoke while we have her until she's all healthy and ready to be adopted later. She's doing good. She's in the little baby pen set up. She finally is eating good, and her poop is finally starting to look like normal poop that comes from cat food instead of bugs and stuff and whatever she was able to scrounge for is what her first few poops looked like. You could actually see everything in the poop. We trimmed her nails last night, and then my husband and I had ended up giving her 2 flea baths. She was so covered in fleas, which is probably the second reason why she's so skinny, not just from scrounging for food, being abandoned, but having all those blood-sucking parasites. They were huge fleas. So after getting her combed out real good and all dried and snuggling with her last night, she was purring a real purr. And when we put her down to go to bed last night, she was barely holding her eyes open. You could tell she was ready for her first good sleep. And this morning she's ate more than she nibbled on all day yesterday after I picked her up. So, and she's got her mama stuffed cats, huh? Did you have breakfast? And the kids came to see you? Are you in purple mama cat? Yeah. So happy now. Rowdy brothers having playtime after breakfast. Crazy boys. Do you feel happy and safe now? It's a whole new world. Yeah. You're a good baby.